Hello everyone, it's Patty and happy Friday. Today I'll be sharing with you something that I don't share that often, which is a setup of a ring style planner. And this is a gorgeous planner from the Planner Society. It's an A6 extra wide and this was available for pre-sale last year. I think I received it around December, but I had not set it up yet until I saw and I received the January kit from the Planner Society, which is the newer, the first one with the new format, and it's a bi-monthly format with more items, more things, and I thought that it was a perfect match for this particular planner. And I decided to use this, this cutie for list making. So this is not going to be my main planner for March, but this is going to be something that I take with me in the car when I go shopping. And I basically use the 3 inserts that are mostly going to be for taking notes on the road or just writing down lists. So before I show you the inside, I wanted to say that this is a gorgeous vinyl. Like, it's a very thick material, and it's very, this is gonna last you, and the foiling is perfect. It's just this beautiful gold bows. And when you open it up, as you can tell, and I apologize for the reflection because of course it reflects everything. The first thing that you'll see is basically the color scheme that I went for. Whenever I receive a kit, I kind of pick the main colors that I would like to kind of highlight. And so those are definitely also from the pen that came with the kit, but it's mostly gold with pink and some green and white. And the first dashboard is the vellum that came with the kit, which is gold foiling. And all I did is just add a couple of pearls. These are from Michael's. You'll find them in the bins that are at the front, by the cash registers, and they're sticky, and I love using them in my setups. And then here it's kind of like the the centerpiece of this dashboard, which is a 3-layer rosette basically that I have created. Now this is mighty bulky. I did not, was not too concerned about it being bulky because this is just going to be for list making. I'm not going to overly decorate my pages, so it's just going to hold a list. So I had room to had as much bulk as I wanted to, and I did. Also because this is an extra wide size, so it really allows you for more room on the side to expand with decorations. But if you want to see another way that I make my rosettes, or a little, these are, I use them for gift toppers. So I'll probably try to come out with a quick tutorial, for YouTube in a couple of months or so. But anyway, so I basically picked up on the gold and then a little bit of touch of pink in the middle there in the little center round. Then this is just a bow that I buy from Hobby Lobby. These are a couple of puffy stickers from Hobby Lobby as well, and that was it. And here we go with the very first true dashboard, which is I made using the paper that came in the kit. And this is a gorgeous gray. So I love that the gray goes with the white and the pink. I love gray with pink. It's super pretty. And all I did is take the little square journaling card that came in the kit. I backed them on this beautiful glitter cardstock from Hobby Lobby. Put eyelets in the corner, put one of the bows from Hobby Lobby over there, and then put these cute flowers, fabric flowers that came in the kit. And I just wanted to cover one of the corners. I just thought it softened the look, and they also came with the little Swarovski centers. And so I loved how the gold, then I picked up the gold basically for the border here, and these are the glitter sticker borders that you can buy on Christy's website. And I always use one side, then back it on the other side, and then use the matching tab. And then here, behind here, we have the sticky notes that came in the kit. Just very simple because if I had to add a little sticky note here into my inserts. And the inserts are from Annieplansprintables, and this is a collab with Christy. If you can tell, this matches the kit perfectly. Has all the little decorations, all the little designs from the die cuts of the kit, so you really don't have to do much. And this is what I needed because I just basically added a sticker that says the day of the week and the number, and then I'm just going to use it to write down lists of things that I need to buy or do. So it does doesn't really have to be every day. It's not gonna be, I'm not gonna write down, you know, memories or anything like that. This is just very to take with me and nothing else. And the fact that it already has the little decorations here at the bottom, I think is so genius, because you don't have to add that much. So if you don't have time, it's all taken care of. Then in the middle here, you'll see there is a page marker. Now, this is one of the washi cards that came in the kit. It came with 3, I believe, 3 or 4. And this is my favorite one because it has pink in it, of course. And so what I did, because I wanted to use it as a page marker instead of a washi card, I just punched some holes using my little Rapesco. This you can buy at Amazon. I think it's so cute in pink. But it just cut through it, no problems whatsoever. And now you have a page marker. So whatever you want to use them for, you know. And then here, nothing in the back. This is the beautiful pink back of the paper, of the gray paper. And then on the other side of the dashboard, I used these little pockets that came in the kit. This is the pink one with the beautiful foiled bows. And I just added my usual Hobby Lobby bows. I think I should buy this in bulk because I use these in every setup. I go through these like there's no tomorrow. And then in here, I just use one of the washi cards, and I used it for washi this time. And this is the perfect size actually, because as you can tell, this is it's an A6, so it's smaller. But I loved how the you know, the pink went, and I just used the washi that I used to make my washi dashboard for this particular kit. So I just have them there. Then here's the back of the vellum, and here is the washi dashboard, and it's so pretty. So I've used mostly the washi that you got in the kit. You know, you have this beautiful gray with the bows, then you have the floral, and then but I also put in the middle there some washi from Simply Gilded. This is a Stardust, and then I have this little sparkly one, and then the little bows. And as you can tell, it's rose gold. It's almost like a pink rose gold. Normally it would kind of bother me to mix kind of metals, but it really does not bother me in this because it's really more of a pink. And so I love how this picks up the pink over here. And in the middle, I just added a sticker from Andrea Scribble Prints Co. And I just love how it looks there. And then here, nothing, because you want to admire, you know, the washi. And then I have one of the acetates that came in the kit, and the kit has, I think, twice as many specialty papers that it did before, so which makes me very happy. But I love this acetate. It's got this little swirls. It's really cute. And over here I have this my name, so that it was actually one time I took a calligraphy class, and the teacher, to mark our spots where we were gonna sit, and you know, wrote our names in this beautiful handwriting. And I of course had to keep the paper. I fussy cut my name out, and I think I had this for over a year. But I just laminated and fussy cut around it again, and now it's on top of this vellum, I mean this acetate, and it looks so pretty. And then here's my insert number 2. And for this one, I really wanted to use this beautiful floral. I love the soft pinks. I love the green and the white background. And instead of using the same, as you can tell here, I used the borders that were gold. I thought that this lent itself more to a softer palette. And so I had some leftover of this beautiful pink glitter borders from Christy, and again, these are available on our website. And I repeated the same exact setup with the square journaling card, the little bow, the outlet backed on the glitter cardstock from Hobby Lobby. Oh, and I didn't mention it before, but these are also placed on 3D dots. Now again, if you don't have enough room, you can lay them flat and you don't have to use 3D dots. I just love the look of a 3D dot, and I had a lot of room here. And then here I just use flowers still from the kit, but this time I used just the pink and the white because this is a softer kind of look, you know, kind of page. So I just love this. This is so pretty, and as you can tell, it's also kind of like a, you know, repetition in a sense. I repeated the same, you know, this is basically the same kind of look. And and sometimes I find it that not every dashboard has to be different, but I like the consistency of looking through a planner and you know, have it a consistent look. I think it's more appealing to the eye, and I just love this one. Actually, I think this is, I don't know, it just makes me happy. It's soothing to look at. And then here's the back. I didn't do anything to it. And this is another insert from Annieplansprintables. This is just the monthly. So I like to have a view at the monthly all at once. I just, you know, if I'm out and I need to look at dates or write down something quickly, I like to have that. And this is the back of the same dashboard with the same square journaling card. Now, the only difference is that, as you can tell, I did not use the pink for the back. Now, this was not done on purpose, because I totally ran out of the pink. And so I used the green that came in the kit. However, I just love it even more. Sometimes, you know, when something happens and you don't realize that you didn't have enough to do both sides, this is actually much prettier, because I really love how the green sits on top of the pink, and it brings out the color of the pink, you know, of this floral of the green here. From the paper. So I just, you know, it was by accident. Not gonna take credit for it, but I just love the way it turned out. And then here I have the back of the little acetate with the swirls, and I have used one of the printables. Actually, this is the die cut, not the die cut that came in the kit. This is the size that came in the kit. However, as you can tell, because this is an A6, this kind of style of die cut would have been too big for this page. I didn't like the proportions of it, and so I went to Etsy, to the Christie's Etsy shop, and she has the printable versions of her kit, and I printed out all my die cuts in a smaller size, about 2 inches high, and those work better with this kind of you know, planner. And then I just put a 3D little puffy sticker from Hobby Lobby, and that was it. And this is the back, the other, you know, the other side of the washi dashboard, with a sticker from Simply Gilded. And on the other side, it's another die cut printed from the printable kit on Etsy from Christy, and then more puffy stickers from Hobby Lobby. It says love, and then I added the little heart there. Then I have this beautiful vellum. I love this vellum so much. This came in the kit, and actually you can actually have this on, it's on the Planner Society digital version on Etsy, so you can print as many as you want of these. So this one came in the kit, and all I did is add my initial. This is from Amanda, Fox and Pip, and she had a pre-sale a little while ago, and I just love the pink. It's so pretty, it's so soft, it's like a ballerina pink, really pretty. And then here's my last section. This is another dashboard using this beautiful gray background floral paper. I love the pink here. It's picked up over here. And I went back with the gold kind of, you know, glitter borders, because I think I wanted to add more, you know, the pink would have been too soft. But the center journaling card is exactly the same as the other ones. I just used the gray flower here, clearly to bring out the gray, then the little tab on top. And this is another insert that's a collab with Christy from Annieplansprintables, and I just love this insert. These are perfect for note taking, because there's honestly so much in a page that you can add a lot of notes. And I also love that they're very neutral. So I love the little, you know, Christy's girls over here, but I love it has a little pink, black. It goes with everything, so you can use it any season. And then on top of here, I have the beautiful kind of embroidered clip that came in the kit. And I'm just going to place it back there. And then in the back, all I did is add the pearls on the corner again. Then another one of the pockets from the kit, and this is the gray one with the foiled bows. And then in here I have my favorite little cute little stickers that are always in Christie's kits, and these are actually meant to be for your tabs, which I always say I don't use, but I like to stick them in there, and they're so cute. Then there's another die cut that I printed from Etsy's printable shop, put it on 3D dots, little bow from Hobby Lobby, and then finally just the vellum again from the kit with another beautiful bow from Amanda, Fox and Pip. And so I love it, you know, when you close it and you can see it right there. I think it's super pretty. And again, this is a really you know, simple, kind of like, but very pretty setup. And I will be carrying this around probably in a pouch because I don't want this to get ruined. So I have a couple of planner pouches, and I apologize for the reflection, but I hope you guys liked it. And please let me know if you have any questions. I'm always on Instagram, so if you ask me there, you're probably gonna get an answer faster because I always check those messages. But I hope you liked it, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back next time with another video.